What's going on, everybody? So I'm gonna put a screen share up here for y'all just to go over some results that I've gotten over the past 1.5 to 2 months. And this is the main reason that scammers hate me. But scammers are not the only people, I don't really want to say that hate me, but that dislike me. And the other people who dislike me are credit repair companies because we post so many consistent results. I don't know another company that posts as many results as Everything Credit LLC. If it's out there, y'all share it with me. I would love to see it. And the other issue is they get very upset when I decline to work with them. But the reason I decline to work with a lot of them, not just because I'm too busy, but because the way they work. They charge thousands of dollars as a one-time fee. They're willing to pay me really, really good, but I just don't feel right about it because, like I always say, it is not always about the money, but it is always about my clients or the consumers. So just look at these results. Tell me what y'all think. I appreciate each and every one of you that support the channel. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. And that's all I got for now. Hope y'all have a great day.